Hello! Good day, class! I am your teacher, Abby, and for today, you're gonna learn a new and an exciting lesson. Are you ready? But before that, help me identify on what they are doing by guessing what. I'll give you 10 seconds to think and guess what. Time's up! And now, let's find out if you got the correct answer. She is swimming. She is cleaning. He is drawing creatively. They are dancing. And she is eating happily. Precisely, class. Give yourself a three claps. One, two, three. Swimming, dancing, cleaning, drawing, and eating are examples of gerunds. But what is a gerund? I think you get the idea. A gerunds are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. They function as a noun in this word travel as the verb plus suffix ing or the gerunds. That's the formation of traveling. Example for this, walk plus ing and that is walking. And another example is sing plus ing is correct. Singing. Specifically, it is used as subject, subject complement, direct object, object of a preposition, and a positive. So, let's get to know them one by one. So first, let's discuss what is a subject. Subject is something that is being discussed. Like for this example, look at this picture. Reading is her favorite hobby, wherein the word reading is the gerund. Second is subject complement. When we say subject complement, it is a noun that appears with or after a linking verbs and tells something about the subject of the sentence. Linking verbs are is, were, was, and other linking verbs that we are using. Example for this, my biggest regret was not studying for the final exam. So that is the example for the subject complement. They are both connected with one another wherein the subject is something that is being discussed while the subject complement is something to do with the linking verbs of English. Third, gerunds as direct object. Generally found after action verbs, you can determine if a word is a direct object by asking whom or what. For example, he enjoys writing adventure stories, wherein the direct object is he and the gerund is writing. The fourth one is gerunds as object of a preposition, and by the word itself, it follows a preposition like preposition plus ing or the gerunds. Prepositions are in, on, at, above, under, through, to, for, of, and other preposition that we are using. Example for this is we learn English by listening to native speakers, wherein the preposition here is by and the gerunds that we used is listening. Lastly, gerunds as a positive. Usually the nouns are placed to another noun to identify, renames, or explain. For example, people consider swimming to be the perfect lifetime sport. Notice also the a positive above is set off by explaining or stating a fact, right? Their opinion. It's something to do with discussing. So, you know what? That's it. You've done an awesome job by listening. And because of that, I want you to help me collect every piece and let's build this puzzle together by answering the question provided. Collect the puzzle pieces in every correct answer. But before that, I want you to read along with me this instruction. Look at the sentence and the word provided. Use a gerunds to complete each sentence. I'll read it once and give you 10 seconds to think carefully. And I repeat, in every correct answer, you will gain a one piece of a puzzle. Are you ready? So, let's start. Blank sing always cheers me up. And I repeat, in every correct answer, you will gain a one piece of a puzzle. Perfect! It's singing. Always cheers me up. Thus, one piece is added up to our collection. Let's now proceed to the second one. Ricky considered blank move to a new house. And I repeat, in every correct answer, you will gain a one piece of a puzzle. Awesome! It's Ricky considered moving to a new house. Hence, a total of two pieces already in our collection. So let's proceed to the third one, which is I enjoy blank read a book. And I repeat, in every correct answer, you will gain a one piece of a puzzle. Great! It's I enjoy reading a book. Thus, you've gained another piece for our puzzle. The fourth one is blank drive too fast is dangerous. And I repeat, in every correct answer, you will gain a one piece of a puzzle. Amazing! It's driving too fast is dangerous. And yet, you've gained the fourth piece of our puzzle. For the second to the last question, my main concern is blank clean under my bed. And I repeat, in every correct answer, you will gain a one piece of a puzzle. Magnificent! My main concern is cleaning under my bed. Thus, a one remaining puzzle piece is still missing. So let us now proceed to the last question. For this last question, what have you learned? Precisely! We've discussed about gerunds, its uses, and examples. Hence, you've managed to help me find the missing pieces of our puzzle today. Very good, class! You succeed on collecting these pieces. Therefore, you've gained wisdom. Thank you for being with me throughout this lesson. Have a nice day, class. See you around.